Welcome to Karuna-Lectures.
Hi children.
Hi Karthikeya.
ఈరోజు ఏం టాపిక్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం?
We'll discuss cube and cubics.
Let's discuss. Come. Cube and cubes. Cubes. The number multiplied 3 times itself is called cubes. Example: 1 cube equal to 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. 3 cube equal to 27. 4 cube equal to 64. 5 cube equal to 125. 6 cube equal to 216. 7 cube equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 343. 8 cube equal to 5 and 2. 9 cube equal to 729. 10 cube equal to 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 11 cube equal to 11 into 11 into 11 equal to 1331. 12 cube equal to 1728. 13 cube equal to 13 into 13 into 13, 2197. 14 cube equal to 2744. 15 cube equal to 15 into 15 into 15 equal to 3375. These are the basics we should learn before starting the topic cube and cubics.
Thank you Karthikeya.
We will meet in next class.
Bye.